Okay, now this might sound wild, but I actually found one of my $1 million Amazon product in just 5 minutes using this secret yet insanely simple method. And no, I didn't spend hours scrolling on Helium 10. In fact, this is a method that no one else is talking about on the internet. Now, here is the secret. Because everyone else is using the same tool, Helium 10, Jungle Scout, everyone is using the same data, the same filter, the same saturated product. So what happens? You launch what everyone else is launching, and you get crushed by price wars, by copycats, and margin death. But with this method, you are tapping into some high margin gaps that those tools don't even show. You will find unsaturated product ideas faster with less competitions because you are looking where no one else is looking. Just for example, one of the products that I pulled from this exact method did $42,000 in 2 weeks post-launch for one of my clients, and that is the power of getting outside of the herd. So let me show you this method right now. So first of all, you will be searching a broad keyword inside of Amazon itself. Then you will start filtering out all the products that doesn't match your criteria, and then basically you will just keep on narrowing your keywords, keep on narrowing your products until you find the product inside of Amazon itself. So we're going from broad to narrow that matches your product criteria. So let me demonstrate to you right now. Basically, I just go on Amazon.com, I just open up Amazon, and then I start typing. And then I will just come up with a really broad keyword. For example, let's say organizer. This is a very big and broad keywords. And then I will start filtering out the products. For example, I want to be looking at products that are above $20. So I'm going to click here. It will have the filters on the left side for me. Then I will start looking for potential product right now. For example, right now I see that this product is doing pretty well for only 13 reviews. So I'm going to click on the right side of the click and I'm going to open the link to preview. And then I see that this is also a very interesting product. So I'm going to right click and then click on this keyword. Now, how do I know that this product is selling well? Number one is that I can take a look at the BSR. Number two is that I can see how many were bought in the past month. Or you can use a tool like Helium 10 to pull out the data for you. For example, I can just click X-ray product research. And then here I can take a look and see how much revenue this product is doing. Like for example, this product is doing $240,000. That is way too much for our criteria. Let's just say we're wanting to be looking at something that is around $20,000 to $30,000 per month. Then this product right here, this bike product, looks very interesting to me, and which is exactly the one that we have opened here. It only has about 600 reviews and it does about $30,000 per month. So then this is a product that really interests me, that makes me want to dig deeper and to keep it as my product candidate. And if I continue to scroll down, I can see a lot of related products here. And then if I take a look and see any of the ones that sort of matches my criteria that looks interesting to me, I will click into it as well. You will be able to see some related products, some 4 stars and above, and you can see some similar items at the down below, and then you can also see products related to this item. Oh, okay, let's take a look at this particular product, sports equipment organizer. This looks pretty healthy, about 12 reviews. Let's click on this to open it. Now let's use Helium 10 to quickly take a look and see how much revenue this product is pulling in right now. Oh, actually, it shows right here, about $3,000 revenue. Okay, this is too low. I'm going to pass that, and take a look and see what the other competitors are currently doing. A lot of related products here. And so this looks like a very interesting product. So I'm going to just copy this name here, and then I'm going to paste it on Amazon, and then I'm going to take a look and see how the market is currently doing. And as you can see, this market is doing pretty good. Some are doing $100,000 and more, and some were doing $75,000, some were doing $20,000. So this definitely looks like a very interesting product to me. Like for example, this product is currently doing $75,000. It only has about 145 reviews, which is very low. It looks very interesting to me. I'm going to open up and keep this as my other candidate. So within just seconds, right? After I just searched up organizer, I found some potential 1 product, 2 products, and then I found this product, which is this organizer. I have found 3 potential products that can make me a lot of money, but of course I'm going to validate the market, validate the competitions, validate this product more thoroughly. But this is a method that no one else is talking about that can quickly find me a lot of good products very quickly. So to sum up, you basically just come up with a big broad random keywords, and then you will start funneling down, right? You will start narrowing down the keywords, the products, that fits your particular criteria. And once you have found your potential winning product, you will now need to learn how to properly launch your product. So you should watch this video next to learn how to launch your first product.